If you're thinking about ordering from lucylily.com, you might want to hold on to your wallet for a minute. At first glance, the site looks like a charming boutique run by two sisters from Asheville, North Carolina. But after digging deeper, that story appears to be completely fabricated. It's a common tactic used to build trust and create an emotional connection with shoppers. Another major red flag is the products themselves. Many of the clothing items appear to come from inexpensive overseas wholesale marketplaces like AliExpress, where they're sold for a fraction of the price. Numerous buyers report receiving items that look nothing like the photos and feel extremely low quality. Then there's the return policy. Customers often discover they can't cancel orders, and returns can require expensive shipping back to warehouses in China. Shipping times can also stretch into several weeks. Finally, the website uses aggressive sales tactics like fake urgency messages, huge discount claims, and pop-ups suggesting people are buying products in real time. Based on these warning signs, I'd strongly recommend avoiding lucylily.com and shopping with a more transparent and reputable retailer instead.